Hello guys, in this video we are going to see what are the new features available in a Python 3.10 version. Right now it is in a beta, but in the future, maybe if you are watching this video, the stable version will be 3.10. Okay, so right now this is 3.9.5. So let's see what is the new features which we need to which we will get in a Python 3.10, right? So this is right now, as you can see, it is still in a development, but maybe in future it will be released in a production. So yes, this is the beta version, and let's download it, and let's see what are the new features. Okay, so let me download that Windows installer. Okay, so if you are having a Mac OS, so you can download it from here, and yes, it may take time, so I'll come. Okay, so let me add it to my path, and let me mm, okay, so it is in progress. So it is installed successfully. So let me open my CMD here, and let's check the version. So what I'll do, I'll simply write Python here, and as you can see, we are having in Python 3.10.10.0 b2. Okay, beta version is here. Okay, so now I'll open my VS. Now I created one file, Python file here, and as you can see, we are having a Python 3.10 interpreter set it to our path, right? So now what we will do, we will understand what is a new feature in a Python 3.10 beta version right now. Okay, so there are lots of features, but one of the most amazing feature of Python 3.10 is a match case statement. So what I mean by match case statement, and let's understand it. So first of all, let me write a simple code here. So I will write one simple code. So I will define one variable which is having an 400, okay, 401. Okay, and let's write an else if statement. So if http code is equal to uh, 404. Okay, so 404, then uh, will print page not found. Okay, page not found, page not found. Elif elif if http code will be 400, then we'll simply write will print okay. Okay, so okay, we will print. Otherwise we wanted to print uh, no no not found any case. Okay, not found any case here. Okay, so we have written a simple code here. Okay, and now we will run this. So let me run this. So as you can see, we are having a not found any case here, because we are not having an number in this elif statement, right? So now we will see how we can do this with match case statement. Okay, so let me write that here. So I will remove this. So we want this variable same, so we will not remove this. Okay, now we will write match. We'll write match, and we will write the variable name, which is http code. Okay, so now in match we will say case, and in case we will pass 404. Okay, so 404, and will print page not found. Okay, so page not found, and otherwise if there will be something called 400, then we wanted to print okay here, right, as earlier. So otherwise we need to write something like underscore, and we'll print simply not found any case. Okay, so not found any case. So as you can see, like we are writing this code in a match case statement, right? In a way of match case statement. So we are implementing the feature of Python 3.10, and let's see it is correct or not. Okay, so we supposed to get this, and yes, we got that. Not found any case. Suppose I am writing. I'm declaring a variable as a 404, and let's 400, okay, and let's run it again. So we supposed to get okay here in our console. So as you can see, okay, we are getting. So yes, that was about the match case statement in Python. So let me go into my presentation here. So here you can see what makes the match case statement so interesting is something called structural pattern matching, right? So structured pattern matching allows us to perform the same match case logic, but based on whether the structure of our comparison object matches a given pattern or not, right? So let's understand this. So suppose we are having a two dictionaries. So let me copy it from here, and just I will remove this all, and I'll just print it here. So as you can see, we have one dictionary, and in dictionary there is first key is id and second key is meta, and there is another sub dictionary which is having an two things, which is source and location. Okay, so now this is our first dictionary. So let me copy our second dictionary, which are having some different pattern. Okay, so I just sorry, I just copied that second dictionary here, and it is having some different architecture or different pattern, right? So in that there is three keys, and all of having their its values, right? So this is having two keys, okay, and this is having in three keys. Okay, so now what it is saying that now we could write a pattern to match dict a like so, okay, or and same for the dict b. So what we can do here is we can iterate in this dictionary together. Sorry sorry for that. We will iterate through the dictionary together, and we will match all the things in a dictionary. So let me do that so you will understand it more. So let me copy that from here. Okay, so what we are doing actually here, we are not having a dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 underscore, oh sorry, we need to write dict underscore a and dict underscore b. Okay, so now it will be okay, it is also. So now uh, so as you can see, we are iterating through dict a, dict b, and also this is a simple string. Don't confuse that. Okay, so this is a simple string. So we are iterating through three items, right? So this is dict 1, dict a, dict b, and this is simple string, you can imagine, right? So now what we are doing, we are having one match case here, and in match case there is one case. So this is a case, right? So earlier we have written case 404 or something, you understood that, right? So now this is a simple case. Okay, so this will match with our actual dictionary. Okay, if the dictionary a will having an same kind of attributes. Okay, so this will be match, and this print statement will be run. Okay, otherwise it will check for this pattern. If this pattern will match, then that will be printed. Okay, otherwise this default case will be printed. Okay, so let me run that if it is working or not. Okay, so there is some syntax mistake here. Okay, so there is one missing here in a string. So and also we need to write indent instead of ident. Okay, so indent is here, and now we are not having any error, I hope. And let me run that. So let me, okay, so location is not found. Okay, so we have written a lock here as a value, so we need to write lock. Okay, so it will match that lock with the dictionary's value. Okay, so we need to write lock here, and also for Okay, here is location, so this location is right. Okay, so now let me rerun this and hope we will not get any error. So as you can see, for first we are having an output as 1 ABC and XYZ. For like for dictionary A, we are having an output 1 ABC and XYZ. Why? Because we are having an indent as a 1, and we are having an source as a ABC. Okay, so we are printing actually source and location also. So location is XYZ. So as you can see, we are getting those here. Now for dictionary B, we have to get two ABCD XY ABC. So as we are getting here, right? And also for test, so test, so for this test string, it is not actually, sorry, it is not actually finding any match case statement. Okay, means any case where this like this patterns is matching, right? So what it will do, it will not go in this case or not in go in this case, and it will go in a default case. And for test, the no match found is printed. Okay, I hope you understood this, what is actually happening. And this is a structural pattern program. This is one more feature which is added in a Python 3.10, which is in a Python file handling. So in that, what is added here, so earlier we are writing, we want to open some file in a read mode, and wanted to write something in a other files. We were doing something like this, right? We need to write all this thing in a same line. Okay, but yes, we can uh, do some line breaking by writing this for backward slash here. But this is not a Pythonic, right? So what is in Python 3.10 is we can write one bracket here, and also after this f out we will write this bracket. So now it is actually a line break here, right? So this is a feature which is added in Python 3.10. And there is one more change in a Python 3.10. Like earlier we were writing uh, union operator. Okay, so in a while typing, let's do that. So here, as you can see, we need to import union from typing. Okay, but in a Python 3.10, we don't need to import this union statement anymore. Okay, and here instead of union operator, we just need to write an int and uh, float data type. Okay, in between we need to pass an pipe symbol, which will be work as same as an union. Okay, so we don't need to import that union anymore, right? So this is working as same as earlier. So this is the added feature in a Python 3.10. And yes, there are lots of good changes, like better error messages, and you can you can explore those things here. I will put a link in a description so you can download it as well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.